All right, solve each equation for y, then find the value of y for each value of x. The values of x that they give us right here are x equals -1, x equals 0, x equals 3. They want to try this three times. So watch what we're going to do. First, I'm going to show you what the solution looks like solved for y, and then I'm going to talk about why that's valuable. Okay, first of all, what do we have over here? Well, we have this extra, what's happening to y. Essentially, you always want to ask what's happening to the thing you're trying to isolate. What's happening to y? 2x is being added to it. So how do we undo that? We do that with minus 2x on both sides. Okay, so write what's originally there minus what your change is, what you're taking away. Okay, write what's originally there, the 5, minus 2x. So that thing that you're doing, the minus 2x, that happens at the end. Okay, at the end of each line is what I mean, like right here. It happens after the things that were already there in the equation. Okay, now we combine like terms. These cancel out. That was the point of it. And you get y equals 5 minus 2x. This is solved for y. Now here's the reason that it's valuable, and watch what happens. Okay, we're going to now substitute in -1. Okay, so here we have the original equation that we found that is solved for y. Okay, and we're going to, plug in -1, that first value. So we say y equals 5 minus 2 parentheses -1. Okay, and of course you now can simplify this. -2 times -1 is +2, so you've got now y equals 5 plus 2, and that combines to be y equals 7. Okay, the point that I'm getting at here is that because you isolated y on one side and everything else is on the other side, once you substituted a value in here, you could just simplify this as a numerical expression all the way down to a single value. Okay, we're going to do it again. We're going to take the equation solved for y equals 5 minus 2x, and we're going to now substitute the second value in. Substitute 0 in. Okay, so y equals 5 minus 2 times 0, or y equals 5 minus -2 times 0 is 0, so 5 minus 0, or just y equals 5. That's the second solution. In fact, I'm going to box these at the end. But we're going to do it one more time for the value up top that they give us 3. So we say y equals 5 minus 2x. We always start with the original equation. And now we plug in 3 for x. And what is -2 times 3 is -6. So we've got 5 minus 6, and that simplifies down to -1. Okay? So I'm going to box our answers. That was the answer for solving for x, and this was the answer for each particular value of x that they asked us to substitute in there. Okay?